In today's session, we'll be delving into the realm of one-login multi-factor authentication. Historically, delineating the boundaries of a corporate IT environment was a straightforward task. It encompassed a controlled enclave of systems centrally managed by the corporation, whether they were situated in an office or a data center. At this perimeter, a firewall stood guard, symbolizing the limit of what you could control. Mobile end-user systems, such as laptops, needed to access this controlled enclave. Implementing multi-factor authentication at this edge was a clear and effective strategy, ensuring the safeguarding of company assets. In the contemporary corporate landscape, defining the new edge of your IT environment poses challenges. Many organizations now leverage software as a service or SaaS applications, offering rapid time to value and shifting the hosting responsibilities to external vendors. While these solutions empower users with enhanced productivity, agility, and mobility, they introduce a distinct set of challenges. SaaS applications operate beyond the conventional boundaries of your corporate IT environment, making it challenging and time-consuming to enforce consistent baseline security controls across these diverse solutions. This often results in an inconsistent user experience, unnecessary risk, and undermines the advantages initially sought by adopting SaaS applications. An organization lacking a comprehensive multi-factor authentication strategy across its entire corporate environment faces increased vulnerability to breaches. The inadequacy of relying solely on passwords for protection is evident today, with stolen credentials remaining a predominant attack vector. The implementation of a robust MFA strategy significantly mitigates the risk of unauthorized access. Moreover, the influence of industry-specific IT security compliance standards and cyber insurance mandates is compelling various sectors to adopt a thorough multi-factor authentication approach. OneLogin offers a solution to ensure a seamless user experience, uphold compliance, and tackle security risks. By utilizing a cloud-based advanced directory, you can seamlessly implement multi-factor authentication for your SaaS applications. OneLogin MFA supports various authentication factors, including physical tokens, time-based one-time password authenticators like OneLogin Protect, Google Authenticator, and Microsoft Authenticator, passkeys, and biometrics using WebAuthn, among others. Now let's explore how this works when utilizing OneLogin. Here, a user browses to their company's OneLogin portal and enters their username, followed by their password. Next, the user is prompted to set up two-factor authentication. They will click Begin Setup and be presented with a list of available authentication factors. Upon selecting Begin Setup, a list of available authentication factors appears, and the user opts for WebAuthn. Windows Security intervenes, requesting the user to unlock their Windows Hello credentials through their biometric identifier. Upon consent, the system sends a credential ID, public key, and signature to OneLogin, concluding the enrollment process. Going forward, the user will encounter a prompt for this second factor when they authenticate on the OneLogin portal. The same process happens when using other biometric authentication such as Touch ID or Face ID. As you can see, the user has successfully leveraged Windows Hello as their second authentication factor using a seamless and user-friendly enrollment process. Let's explore the enrollment process for a time-based one-time password authenticator like OneLogin Protect, which is offered at no cost to all OneLogin customers. In this process, a user navigates to their company's OneLogin portal and inputs their username and password. Subsequently, they are prompted to set up two-factor authentication. Opting for OneLogin Protect, the user receives guidance on downloading the app. Once installed on their mobile device, they can scan the QR code to add an account to OneLogin Protect, successfully completing the enrollment process and adding an additional factor. From this point forward, the user will be prompted for multi-factor authentication via OneLogin Protect every time they log into the OneLogin portal. We've examined two possible authentication flows that your organization can use to implement MFA through OneLogin. It's crucial to emphasize the flexibility of OneLogin MFA, accommodating authentication flows tailored to your organization's preferences. Within OneLogin, the use of security policies enables the enforcement of specific authentication flows to designated groups of users. In summary, the landscape of your organization's IT environment has evolved, with the traditional delineation blurred. Maintaining control and mitigating risks has become challenging without a comprehensive multi-factor authentication strategy. OneLogin offers a solution to redefine the edge of your environment, aiding in risk mitigation, enforcement of baseline security controls, and enhancing your organization's cybersecurity posture through the implementation of OneLogin multi-factor authentication.